Hello friends, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. I am Elaiyaraja Dharmalingam. Today we will try to draw a batsman being bowled in cricket. To this drawing you need a image that I have taken from internet and then observe the image deeply, try to convert into basic shapes. Here I am drawing a rough drawing with a pencil very lightly, not to add much detail into the picture initially. Just make it as a basic shapes. After making rough drawing, you could add minute details to the picture. Far away, you could add the spectators with a expression. And then you could outline rough drawing with a brush pen. Okay, now here we have completed clean outline drawing with a pen brush. After this, you could rub unwanted pencil marks. After this, if you want to color the picture, you can color it. Otherwise, if you want to lighten shade with a pencil or watercolor or whatever medium you want, you can do that. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, share, don't forget to comment, and we will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you.